Hello everyone to the introduction video on mental health training for Korean American church leaders. My name is Sharon Kim and I'm serving as a staff member at Mustard Seed Generation. The agenda of this video includes I'll go over the training, what it is, what the benefits are, how to register for it, and how to receive a group discount. This training was created by Mustard Seed Generation, and we are a nonprofit group that exists to eradicate barriers to mental health. And we do that by providing culture-specific training to increase the mental health literacy of Korean American churches, families, and youth. We created this training a year ago because the statistics were so staggering. 1 out of 3 Korean Americans live with depression. 15% of Korean Americans report having suicidal thoughts. Suicide is also the #1 cause of death for Asian American young adults. But only 1 out of 4 churches have a plan to support families affected by mental illness. And so what we did was we developed a 7-week online training specifically designed for Korean American church leaders. And what we do is that we walk you through establishing a mentally healthy church. And this opportunity is anyone who serves Korean or Korean American congregants. Participants must be 18 years or older and hold a ministry role in their church. So this can be anyone from pastors, associate pastors, elders, deacons, small group leaders to Sunday school teachers and small group facilitation leaders and staff members as well. Our speakers are Dr. Angie Kim from the Gordon Conwell Theological Seminary, Dr. Hannah Chung from his university, Jessica Kim from the University of Pennsylvania, Dr. John Ha, Princeton Theological Seminary, Dr. Samuel Kim from the University of Denver, Dr. Josephine Kim from the Harvard Graduate School of Education. What's really great about these experts and speakers are not just that they're experts in mental health, and also experts in the Korean American community, but they're also church leaders themselves. They have a huge heart, a huge passion to see the church heal and to see families heal as well. During the 7 weeks of this course, you will go through many different topics, many important topics in our Korean American community. The first week, you'll all get to learn about Christianity and mental health and the statistics around mental health in the Korean American community. This portion is actually a video lecture that was pre-recorded that you can watch on your own pace. But you'll also be able to have a chance to join a live lecture by Dr. Josephine Kim on week 1. And this would be a live session on Zoom. Week 2, you'll get to watch video lectures on marriage, parenting, divorce, family relationships, and mental health. And then what's really great about this course is that you're not just watching recorded videos or lectures, but you're also joining small group discussions on Zoom where you get to meet about 8 people that is facilitated by a mental health professional. So a mental health professional will join and facilitate the discussion, and you'll be able to discuss and learn and apply what you learned through the lectures. Week 3 here, you'll learn about Korean American mental health of our Korean American youth, and also how to do crisis management as a church leader. After you watch the lectures, you'll be able to join your synchronous groups, your small group discussion groups, and for an hour on Zoom. And so the format is the same, right? You watch the lectures on your own time before joining your small group discussions, and that will be the format that we follow every week. Week 4, we talk about depression, mood disorder, and suicide prevention, followed by a small group discussion again. Week 5, we talk about self-care, well-being of yourself, your staff members, your church leaders, as well as for the church. And again, you'll join your small group discussion to talk more about that. Week 6, you'll be talking about how to create a mentally healthy church. And we provide you with practical steps on how to do that. Week 7, you'll be talking about establishing a mentally healthy church and how you can make the church a safer space. So all of this, looking at it, 7 weeks might feel long, but actually it's only 2 hours per week. So you watch 1 hour of lecture videos, and then you join the 1 hour small group discussions on Zoom. And so that's 2 hours per week. And our participants have actually said that this is actually very short, that they would like more time, but they don't get it because it goes by so quickly. And you'll also experience that too. So this course is very flexible. You get to watch the videos, lecture videos on your own time, learn about them. We provide you with lectures and slides, everything to equip you with the right tools. And then you'll join the synchronous sessions, which is the small group discussions that are facilitated by a mental health professional who they themselves are often church leaders. And so when you register, you get to choose from several dates and times for your small group. So we'll give you, options to choose from. For instance, this is just an example, but Tuesdays at 8 p.m. and then Wednesdays at 9 a.m. You'll have several options. And so when you register, you'll be able to pick the option that works best for your schedule. So it's very, very flexible because we know that our church leaders are very, very busy. Some of the benefits of the training that I wanted to highlight here are that these are not just lectures that are created for anyone, or for Asian Americans, or for Korean Americans, right? These are curated lectures specifically for Korean American church leaders. And so you'll get to learn how to support your congregation with addressing mental health needs. You'll also get access to your lectures immediately and also for a year, so that you can go back to, even after finishing the program, you can go back to and learn from again and again. One of the greatest benefits that our past participants have mentioned is the friendship and the connection that is built with other Korean American church leaders across the country who are also very vested and passionate about mental health. And so if these are church leaders, pastors, associate pastors, small group leaders, and Sunday school teachers, staff members, right, coming together because they want to bring healing to their churches. And you'll realize that this is so beneficial to you because you're not working alone. You get to meet other church leaders who are going through very similar things. You'll also get dedicated experts to provide you with consultation, resources, whatever you and your church needs. And so these are just some of the benefits of the training. And I want to let you know that there are many more benefits to this that I haven't mentioned that you'll get to experience through the 7-week course. The pricing of this training is $800 per participant. But through numerous generous donations that we received, we are able to provide this for $399 per participant. Now, registering for the course is very, very easy. You simply have to go to learn.mustardseedgeneration.org and then purchase the training. You have the option to do a one-time payment or pay over 2 months. So let me just show you what that looks like. So if I go to learn.mustardseedgeneration.org, you'll see this page. Second cohort mental health training for Korean American church leaders, Korean and English. So we do offer this program both in Korean and English, and the lecture videos are all translated and subtitled into Korean. And then you'll get to choose whether you want to join a Korean small discussion group or an English small discussion group, and you'll have several dates to choose from for each. Now, if you see this page, you can click on, the payment. All you have to do is click on purchase. Now you can choose from your one-time payment, or there's also 2 payments over the course of 2 months. And all you have to do is click purchase. Now, once I click purchase, all you have to do is sign up with your email, your name, your credit card information, and then you'll complete the purchase, and that's it. You're into the program and you'll be able to begin your program. Now, how you can receive a group discount is like this. It's very easy. It's actually easier than registering for yourself, if you can believe that. So for every additional person, we give a group discount where every additional person receives a $50 discount. So if you sign up with a friend, that means that you'll pay $3.99 plus $3.49 for a total of $748. Now, this is great for churches that want to sign up their whole key leaders, right? So if you want to do a bulk sign up, for instance, you want to sign up 10 of your key church leaders, then it will cost $3,540. And in order to do that, in order to receive the discount, all you have to do is send us the names and email addresses of everyone signing up with you in that group. And then what we will do on our end is that we'll send you a bulk invoice or individual invoices if you need individual invoices. And then once you make the payment, we'll sign you up on our end to the online platform so that you will receive an email notification saying that you're into the program. So it's that easy. You just have to send us the names and email addresses to program support at mustardseedgeneration.org. So I want to say that this program is such a great investment for you and your church members. And so I didn't want to just say this myself, but I wanted to share what our past participants have said in the past. One of the pastors, an associate pastor, said, "One of the deacons and I have taken this course, and we are now going to launch a mental health support for our youth starting next year." Another pastor mentioned, "This program has made it possible to open up discussions with our key leaders in how we as a church can develop programs and support to aid those who are struggling in the area of mental health." Another pastor said this, "I was most encouraged by how many people signed up for this course and how many pastors around the country are committed to caring for their mental health of their congregants. I'm very thankful for the fruit God will bear through these trainings for the betterment of our brothers and sisters who are fighting with their mental health." So I want to just let you know that this is such a great investment for you, for your church congregation. And if you have any questions at all about this video, about this program, please reach out to us at programsupport@mustardseedgeneration.org. Thank you.